Hi, I'm Matt McCoy. Auto insurance can help pay for bumps and scrapes to your car in case of an accident, right? Well, what about coverage for bumps and scrapes to you and the people in it? That's where medical payments, also called MedPay coverage, comes in. MedPay covers medical expenses for you, your family members, and the passengers in your insured vehicle, regardless of who's at fault for the accident. MedPay can be especially critical if you or your passengers don't have health insurance, but it can also help pay your health plan's copays, coinsurance, or deductibles. The limit in the policy applies to each person in the vehicle. The Hartford also includes a unique additional benefit called Recovercare. This reimburses you for essential services you can't perform as a result of your injuries, such as house cleaning, lawn maintenance, even dog walking. You know, when accidents happen, a speedy, healthy recovery for you and your passengers is what matters most. And MedPay and Recovercare can help get you back on your feet with minimal out-of-pocket expenses. Contact the Hartford to help you determine the medical expenses coverage that's right for you.